The Xl-Boxx extends the previous L-BOXX system by a fully compatible, large and above all, fully thought-out power tool and transport case. Secured integration in vehicle racking systems improves safety. Accessibility saves valuable time every day. The boxes can be stacked together in a non-slip manner, and the innovative short insertion ensures a seamless connection to the L-BOXX system, so you always have everything you need at your fingertips with just one walk from the vehicle to the place of action. The generously dimensioned and sturdy components allow ergonomic carrying and can also be easily operated with gloves. With a storage capacity of around 30 liters, even bulky equipment can fit into the box, and thanks to the system concept, can be stored neatly and transported efficiently and quickly. Thanks to its robust design, the Xl-Boxx, made of impact-resistant ABS material, masters every challenge. It does not only withstand extreme loads, it also reliably protects its content from environmental influences. In this way, a positive and professional appearance at your customers is ensured.